Right here. Where'd they go?
He's mine.
Thank you.
Is that tape?
It's like so light. Have some oatmeal.
You're supposed to read it.
It says, Merry Christmas, Angie Love Wyatt. Have some oatmeal.
Katie, you want to follow us? Well, Mom's just as smart as Karen.
Hey, I know that.
Gingerbread house.
See ya.
Cameron, let her do it, please.
Thank you. Penny loved her pink cowboy hat.
I thought I'd let you have a little fun this morning.
I haven't done this since we got engaged.
Katie, you guys let Mom do it. This is her time.
The buck stops here. You guys remember where that pillow is?
Yeah.
Last time I did this, we got engaged. It must be really good. One of my favorite Christmas gifts was getting a blanket made out of memories of my mom. Find it.
I totally know where that is.
Don't touch it.
My goodness. What is it? Oh my gosh! That's awesome! It's a painting you guys of us. I love it. That's so cool. Thank you, Dad. That's amazing.
You're welcome.
I love this for you, too.
I know.
Wow.
There's nothing behind.
Read the back. I did it upside down, though. Sorry.
To Angie, Merry Christmas. I will never forget. I'll never forget taking this photo of you with the kids at the beach. Love you. Thank you. That's awesome.
You still have another present, Katie?
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.